Hello everyone! Today I want to show you this amazing book. I bought it in Paris. You may think that this is a fashion book, but actually it's not. This book provides us with different patterns and designs. I want to show you some interesting ideas I found here. What I like the most is that they show how one and the same item looks like in different colors. They also show, for example, how one and the same top looks like together with a skirt and with pants. How one and the same dress looks like with different jackets. I've already made the outfit on the basis of the designs showed in this book. Now let's have a close look at it. Have a look at the cover. Even though I bought it in Paris, the book is Italian. Let's have a look at the first outfit. The color is absolutely amazing. The jacket isn't buttoned. It's absolutely straight. These are sewn-on pockets. There are side details instead of the side seams in this jacket. This is a dart. I've already showed you how to make it. The sleeves, the pockets, the slit on the skirt are all edged with the same fabric the blouse is made of. Have a close look at the fabric. These stripes are vertical and these are bias. These details are made of the fabric with bias stripes. You won't be able to cut fabric with vertical stripes this way. It's impossible. Let's have a look at the prices. A pattern for the jacket costs 18 euros, and the one for the skirt, 14 euros. It is also written here that you will need a piece of fabric which is 1.4 meters wide and 1.5 meters long to make the jacket, and 80 centimeters long piece to make the skirt. You can find this data on every page. You can choose a design and then buy a pattern. I think that this is not useful for us. We can make patterns ourselves. We know how to use our imagination, right? Notice that these small details make the skirt suit look absolutely amazing. The necklace is also very beautiful. Have a look at this page. This jacket ends with the straps, which can be tied up on the front. You don't need to make the draping. This is how it looks like when it's tied up. This is how the jacket looks like when it's not tied up. You can see how it looks like with a tight dress and with a flared one. You can buy patterns for these clothes too. Have a look at this jacket. It's very light and it's absolutely straight. The top is draped on the front. It's light blue with dark dots. Notice that the cuffs, the lining of the jacket, and the edge of the slit on the skirt are made of the same fabric as the top. The embroidery on the shoulders also looks amazing. These details can also be made of lace. Have a look at this outfit. Notice that the dress and the jacket are made of the dark blue fabric with bright dots. The cuffs, lining, and collar are made of white fabric with dark blue dots. This is absolutely the same design, but in different color. Notice how all of these details match. We should learn to create outfits. Have a look here. This is a very simple flared 6-core skirt. It is also shown how to combine it with different tops. Very beautiful. The patterns are pretty expensive. Have a look at this blouse. There is a tank top dress underneath. This side of this top is regular, and this one off the shoulder. The sleeves are flared as well as the blouse itself. Amazing. There is a slit on the back. I want to show you some more designs. Hope you don't mind. I like this outfit. This is also a tank top dress. The princess seams end at the hip level. Thanks to them, there are no darts in this dress. Have a look at this blouse. It's pretty wide. The dress, the back of the blouse, the sleeves and the placket on the front are made of strong fabric. I love this idea. The sleeves and the placket are decorated with beautiful buttons. The front part of this blouse is made of light gauzy fabric. Very beautiful. Have a look at this outfit. I love the combination of colors. The sheath dress is made of the light pink fabric. The jacket is multicolored. The fabric used for edging the jacket is not like pink, but dark. You can see at least 3 different fabrics here. Very beautiful. This outfit is the same. What I mean is that there are also 3 fabrics used here. The skirt and the jacket are made of the same fabric. The blouse is white with dark blue details. The same dark blue fabric was also used to edge the jacket. Have a look here. You can see that the cuffs of the blouse are also probably dark blue. It's very important to be able to combine different fabrics. Have a look here. This is absolutely the same jacket, but it's made of different fabric. It also looks very beautiful. Have a look here. I think that this blouse also looks really good. Dropped shoulders, draping, buttons. You can see it in different colors and with different skirts. I love cowl necks. You can see the same neckline here. This is a long sleeve blouse and this is a sleeveless one. This is a 6-cock skirt and this is a pencil one. You can see that the both outfits look great. Have a look at this asymmetric blouse. I've already showed you how to make tulip sleeves. The darts in this blouse were moved to the neckline in order to make the pleats. You can draw this line however you want. Cut it and insert the flared flounce here. Notice that there's no flounce in this blouse. You can see that the blouse looks good both ways. I think that this outfit looks amazing. The blouse can be put on together with this skirt as well. The both outfits are great. The ideas are pretty simple. This book teaches us to use our imagination. Have a look at these Cowl-Neck tops and blouses. You can see a lot of different designs of them on these pages. You can also see that they look good with pencil skirts, different pants, and so on. You already know how to make cowl-neck tops and blouses. It's also not hard to make such draping. A pattern for this top costs 17 euros. Wow, I think that it's too expensive. We can make it ourselves. Have a look at this outfit. It's pretty sporty. I love the jacket. It looks good with different pants, and I think that it will also look amazing with the pencil skirt. You can make a single card or combine different colors. This is the vest which I made. I love it. Narrow shoulders, straight lines, 2 buttons on the front. The back is longer than the front. This is how it looks like from the back and from the front. This is absolutely the same vest. I think that it also looks very stylish this way. I've already showed you how to make it. Have a look here. This is a fit and flare skirt with a train. I showed you how to make it. Of course, I'm not going to show you the whole book, but I want to show you some more designs. This is a spiral-shaped fit and flare skirt. I also showed you such one. The blouse is very simple. It's not hard to make it on the basis of a basic pattern. These small bias darts look amazing. Those who have slim waist should also make waist tucks. There is a seam on the center back. The blouse is very simple. It looks amazing with this spiral-shaped fit and flare skirt. Have a look here. I showed you how to make such skirt as well. It was dark blue with beige details. This is absolutely the same pattern. Have a look at this vest. Notice that in this one the collar is of different color and in this one are the same. Please make and wear such amazing vests. They're so cool. You can wear them with dresses, blouses, tops, shirts. I'll put a mark here. It means that I want to make it. Have a look here. This is the skirt I made together with the vest. I love it. It looks like a jeans-style skirt from the back. A yoke, top stitches seams, pockets. The center front is asymmetric. There is a slit here. The bottom is also asymmetric. I showed you how to make this skirt very thoroughly. Have a look at this dress. This is a strapless dress. It's a fit and flare dress with princess seams. Very beautiful. Don't think that the more complicated your dress is, the better it looks. It's not true. I want to show you the content of the book. They show some techniques, tell a bit about working with patterns. Today I showed you this amazing magazine. I hope that you'll find this video useful. I wanted you to see some interesting designs and ideas. I also want you to learn to use your imagination. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukštė Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos and press the like and the bell buttons. Thank you. Goodbye.